Does this look familiar? You have an amazing story, but your AI visuals are a chaotic mess. Your hero looks like a different person in every shot, and creating a simple scene feels like a roll of the dice. You have a powerful scene. A girl lost in the jungle, terrified and alone. The mood is perfect, but the details are a disaster. First, the AI didn't give us one hero. It cast 3 different actresses, changing her face and hair in every shot. Her wardrobe is just as chaotic. She's in a long-sleeved shirt, then a plaid one, then a completely different safari outfit. This isn't a continuous scene. It's a collection of beautiful but useless mistakes. What if you could turn that chaos into a perfectly consistent cinematic masterpiece? What if every image was a perfectly directed shot in your movie? The problem isn't the AI, it's the method. Prompting blind, shot by shot, is like trying to build a house without a blueprint. You're forcing the AI to be the writer, director, and set designer all at once, and it's bound to fail. You need a blueprint. You need a director. That's where I come in. I take your script and I build you that blueprint. My service delivers 2 simple sets of files that solve everything. First, your asset library. I design every character, prop, and location from your script. These files create your digital Lego bricks, perfectly consistent and ready to use. Second, your scene prompts. For every paragraph of your story, I write a director's instruction. It tells the AI exactly which Lego bricks to use and how to assemble them to create a perfect, continuous shot. So what does your job become? It's this simple. Step 1, generate your assets. First, open the Asset Prompt Files folder. Next, choose the asset you want to generate. For example, if we want to create the image for Airline Pilot, select the file named airlinepilot.txt. Open the file and copy the prompt text. Click once inside the preview window, then press Ctrl-A to select everything, and Ctrl-C to copy. Now, go to your ChatGPT web interface. Press Ctrl-V to paste the prompt, and then click Send to generate the image. Once the image finishes generating, go ahead and download it. This part is very important. Rename the downloaded image using the file name provided below the generated image. For example, if the name shown is airlinepilot.png, then rename your downloaded file to airlinepilot.png before saving it. This keeps all of your asset files organized and consistent. Done. Now let's direct a scene. Open the Scene Prompt Files folder. Let's say we want to generate the image for scene 0048. Select the file named 0048.txt. Open it and copy the prompt text. Go to your ChatGPT web interface, click the input box and paste the prompt. Now scroll down to the section labeled Attached Files. Here, you'll see a list of image files that are required for this scene. For example, if the prompt lists attached files juliannekepka.png, junglefloorenvironment.png. Make sure you attach both of these files before generating the image. If any required files are missing, the final result will be inconsistent or incorrect. Once all required files are attached, press Send to generate the scene image. When the image is finished, download it. And again, this step is very important. Rename the file using the exact file name shown below the generated image. This ensures consistent naming across your entire project. To see what this workflow produces, check out the video Julianne Kepka, the teen who survived a 10,000-foot fall from the sky, and the other one on the channel. These were made quickly, so the image quality isn't perfect, but they clearly show how effective this workflow is. Here's the Story to Screen Studio's YouTube channel, where all the finished projects are uploaded. Stop wrestling with prompts and start telling your story. You're the writer, let me be your AI cinematographer. If you want to try this system yourself, your next step is simple. Watch the free tier guide. It's a short walkthrough that shows you exactly how to submit your script. Tap the video on screen. I'll see you there.